print job management is our last bit for this this week's group of topics, and it's really one of the simplest things. Let's go to our server, and you can see we have printers with jobs, and right now I don't have any printers that have jobs. If I did, I could right click on them and I could cancel them, pause them, like that. So actually, let's take a look at the same interface, even though it'll be not in server. So I'm just going to go ahead and print this document to a printer right now, and it's a printer I know won't work very well. It might try to print, and that's this not the 8600, this 6960 printer, because I know that it's out of ink, and so it probably won't do very well. So let's go ahead and try to print that. And I'm going to open up the print manager for that, and if I right click on that, I've got pause, restart, and cancel. Now if this is hung up and it won't actually go anywhere, one thing I could try to do is to restart this job, and that might urge it. It might just give it a little kick in the rear end, or I might just cancel it. Are you sure you want to cancel? Yes, I am. Sometimes you'll get a whole queue of print jobs here in server, and there'll be 10 different print jobs, and they're all waiting on this top one, and this top one is hung up for some reason. It could be that the document that's being printed is corrupt, and so it's just holding everything else up, and nobody else's jobs will print. Well, sometimes when you cancel that job, the rest of them will take off. But there's one thing you certainly need to know for the MTA, and that is how to stop and restart the print spooler. So let's go to services. I'm just going to click here and type services.msc. This is one of those MMC plugins. And go down to the print spooler. And a lot of times just toggling the print spooler service, turning it off and then back on. So I can just click restart here, or I can click stop and wait for it to stop, and then I'll click it again and click start and wait for it to start. And sometimes that's just the kick in the pants that a print job needs to get it moving again, because sometimes it's this service itself that is hung up. And you need to know that one as one of the big tricks they like to ask questions on in the MTA.